In this video, I will show you how to transform yourself into a 3D cartoon character, like this, using only one photo. I will also show you how to put your character in a viral video, like the one you see on the screen right now, or how to recreate a similar video. Plus, you can do most of this almost for free. I will also show you the different options you can use to animate your character. So without further ado, let's get started. As always, we need to create a few images first so that we can later turn them into videos. If you haven't created images like this before, it's really easy to do with Crea AI, and now it's available for both free and paid accounts. Once you're in Crea AI, go to the chat box. From there, you can upload your own photo. I'll add my photo, and then I'll add a model to create a cartoon-style look. Then, just type in a simple prompt like, "Create this image as a cartoon," and voila! If you have a paid plan, you can also create videos directly within Crea AI. But even if you don't have a paid plan, you can still create as many images as you want with the free plan. Okay, now let's look at the first animation style, which is the viral meme videos on social media. You know those videos where a character dances, celebrities do silly moves? There are a few tools that you can use to make these types of videos. But in this video, I'm going to talk about a tool called Wiggle, which is a tool where you give it an input video and a reference image, and it's going to transfer whatever motion that you have in the video to the character in the image, and it does that pretty good too. Now I'm going to show you how it works. You need to log in to Wiggle AI with your Google account. After you log in, you'll be greeted by a page like this. Here you can see what you can do with this tool. You can change the character in the video, you can change multiple characters, you can animate your photo, and more. For now, I'll stick with this feature to show you how you can change the character in the video. Here, you can upload your own video or choose one of the ready-made templates. I'm going to choose the morning routine viral video that's going crazy on the internet right now. Then, I upload my character's reference image and click the Create button. And here's the result. It made the video faster than I expected, and the result is really good too. Also remember, it doesn't have to be a cartoon character. You can upload your own images and create such videos. Now let's look at how we can add lip sync to the character and controlling its gestures and hand movements. There are several tools that can do it, and I am going to show you two of them, which I like the result of the most. So basically how it works is that you give the tool an audio and an image, and the tool gives you a talking avatar as an output. So let's generate our image with Crea AI again, following the same steps we did in the beginning, and we need an audio as well. You can record your own voice if you want, but if you don't, I recommend 11 Labs, which for me is still the best text-to-speech tool out there. I will quickly generate an audio with 11 Labs, and this is how it sounds.
Yes, everything may seem complicated, but you can't see success without going through difficulties.
Now that we have our image and audio, let's head over to Hedra AI to create our talking avatar. When I first used Hedra AI, I was really impressed with the results. I even created a full Game of Thrones animation with this tool.
You're a bastard from the north.
If you're interested, you can watch it by clicking on the banner above. Another reason I love Hedra AI so much is that it's so easy to use. All you have to do is upload your image and audio file. Hedra also lets you type in the movements you want your character to make while speaking. I also want the character to have some hand movements while speaking so it looks natural. And that's exactly what I'm going to type in here. Then I click the Create button, and here's the result.
Yes, everything may seem complicated, but you can't see success without going through difficulties. And once you succeed, you realize it wasn't that difficult after all. So start now, because life is never going to get easy.
Another tool you can use to create a talking avatar is CapCut's artificial intelligence called Dreamina. With this tool, you can create both images and videos, and it is really easy to use. To create your talking avatar, we click on this feature. Here we upload an image. Then for a better quality result, we select this model and upload our audio file right below it. Then we click on the Create button, and here is the result.
Yes, everything may seem complicated, but you can't see success without going through difficulties. And once you succeed, you realize it wasn't that difficult after all.
If we make a side-by-side comparison with Hedra, the difference is obvious. But still, you can get different alternatives by using both tools. That's all for this video. Don't forget to write in the comments what you want to see in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care.